Hope everybody's doing well. I'm going ahead and showing today the Aquaneat air pump for your aquarium. This is a good device. It actually has two ports for the air and a little knob so you can control the flow of the air bubbler. You have hose that you can cut to whatever length you need, two stones, and two of the inline air filters. If you can see that little arrow, that's showing the direction of the airflow. So the pump is back this way, and the way the air is blowing to the stones and going into the tank would be this way. We have one continuous length of tubing. I'm looking to see during shipping it did get crimped a little bit, but that shouldn't be an issue. We need a little piece of tubing coming off the air pump and then into that inline air filter. So the only way to do that is to cut a piece. So I want them to be about the same. And then this will be for the tank. As I showed earlier, here's your arrow. And this just gets pushed right onto the end. We set over top of the hole and push the tubing on. So yeah, just make sure the tubing goes back a little bit, about that far into the pump. Come back this way, and then you can cut right there, and then it'll be exactly halfway. I want a little bit of size difference, so I'm going to come back just a few inches. So that changes how long they are. You can see I got one there, and one there. The air stones do need to be soaked in water for about 10 minutes to start letting all the crevices, all the little air pockets fill with water. So then when we push the air through, it gives a spot to release it. If not, you can run into a problem if you just hook the hose directly up and put it into the water. It may not bubble right for the first 10-15 minutes. Eventually the water will soak in, but if you can pre-soak, that's the best option. I have a little bucket of water. I'm just going to drop that in. So I'm just going to leave them in for about 10 minutes to pre-soak, and then I'll connect them to the hose and show you how the machine runs. The stones have soaked for 10 minutes, and it's very easy. Just slide that right on. I already have the hose connected to that filter that I installed earlier, and just plug it in, and there we go. There's the air pump. It's pretty quiet. So all in all, I think it was a successful project. So now you've seen how to properly hook up your Aquaneat air pump for your aquarium, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use it to make worm tea for the garden. Thanks for coming along, watching the video, everybody. Have a great day.